The market is setting up for another big move. After last night's flush, the bulls stepped in strong, reclaiming key levels. But will they hold, or are the sellers about to take control again? Hey traders, hopefully you guys had a good day out there today. In today's breakdown, I'll walk you through the critical levels that will decide the next big move, my trading plan, and what to expect with tomorrow's data releases. And let's dive in. Well, first, we had that overnight flush. Once again, 2 days in a row we had it. Pretty much late in the night we had some China news that came out, pretty much flushed us down right back down to that 85 previous breakout zone. But by 1 a.m. California time, the bulls took full momentum, reclaiming that critical level of that 60-25 area, right? Just before the JOLTS numbers came out, we pretty much sat right there and based above that 25, hanging around that area. And then those numbers came out. It basically came in favor of the market. The bulls went ahead and just massively pushed it up even higher for over an 80-point push from the initial low from overnight, and then pretty much just hung around right before power hour, tried to push that higher day of yesterday, right? And it failed. Had a few attempts, but failed. So now, I gave out my newsletter mentioning the 60-42 area is what I'll be watching. And it looks like we kind of hit that right before the close here. I'm watching that area, and of course that 60-25 would be key for me. In between that 35, right under that 42. And then for the above side, I'll be targeting that 60-70, which is immediate resistance. We get above that, we could push towards that 60-85 area and that 60-97, pretty much up in here. Let's see. Get this right here. A little supply up in there. Once we get through that, we can go ahead and start pushing, right? Start pushing more to the upside towards the 85. And once we clear that 85 level, I think we can go ahead and really start pushing back towards that 6100, maybe stop at that 60-95, 97 area, right? But now if we go ahead and get some rejection at that 70, right, just look back to some consolidation pullbacks, maybe above that 55, 50 area. And if we decide to go ahead and lose that 60-42 main little support that we got going on, we decide to lose this area, we'll work our way down to that 60-25 right up in here. Yeah, we'll work our way up in there. We really don't want to lose that 60-10, right? That's going to cause a deeper flush, maybe retest that previous breakout zone or even further than that. I will watch out tomorrow. We have some data, some ADP Nonfarm employment change, some S&P global PMI numbers, and some ISM non-facturing numbers. They all pretty much come out pretty early. So we'll go ahead and watch those, right? So let's keep it simple. 60-42, key level, 60-35, 60-25. Those will all be our supports, with 60-70, 60-85, 60-97 being our upside targets and resistance. And if we lose that 25 area, we work our way down to that 60-10, 6,000s, and 59-85s. So yeah, let's just go ahead and, have patience. Patience always pays. Follow the price action. Let the levels guide you, right? And then just be aware of the data coming out. If you're not comfortable trading overnight, that's what I like to do a lot. I like to be in overnight trading, pretty much be on runners by the early morning. If it works out in my favor with the levels, I usually have my 10 to 15 point stop on the ES, a little bit 20 to 25 on the MES. Let her get some extra breathing room. But yeah, hopefully you guys all did well today. It was an amazing day. in the Discord from the overnight to the early morning plays right before the jolt numbers. If you're not in the Discord, the link will be in the description. Go ahead and feel free to join. It is about $7.99 a month. You get a lot of value there. Live voice chat every day, starting at 4 to 4:30 a.m. California time. But yeah, just come check us out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck.